Then you got 15-year-old, 16, 17, 18-year-old fellas committing crime in St. Lucia. What's going on down there? And we all know who is it. You understand? You got countryman who get information. And you mean to tell me SB can't get information, CID can't get information, nobody in St. Lucia in the police force could get information and pick these fellas up. Once your name called once, twice, you supposed to be picked up. How let we deal with you? We dealing with the law.
First, I want to say big up to Mr. Timothy, the most watched newscast. Big up yourself, Tim. You do a good show. You know me follow your show. You know I'm always online listening. And big up to the policeman, the ex-policeman from England. You understand? Thank you. Yo, you feel the same way I feel. And, you know, I talk about crime till I drop down dead. And nobody in the government, no police officer would contact me and, you know, say, all right, countryman, let's do this, let's do that. But policemen and people in the government contact me on the down low and tell me that they all listen to my vlog. They listen to the tips that I give them, but they won't call me to admit it. They do it on the down low. But like I said, I feel very strongly about the killing and the crime situation, and I've been trying for years to bring this to the forefront. And in this video, you guys are gonna see the stuff I talk about from past video, it come to happen. Now, let's go. Before I go into the vlog where I'm gonna talk about Travis, Samson and Delilah and some other man that did a Buford. This came to me through various sources. This bottom feeder right here, so him named DJ Ratty. But me I go change him name. Him get arrested today and the police did a good job. I am gonna change his name to GUNBAG because Ratty get catch with about 8 black and a big submachine gun, you know. And him is a GUNBAG to the boy them call name Panet Iron Pum Pum. And a them thing that them a do. A them thing I'm a talk about. So yo, I make the people them know what's going on. DJ Ratty, aka GUNBAG, get catch with a bag of gun where my keep for Panet and Iron Pum Pum. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Another little birdie tell me something else too. The birdie tell me that DJ Ratty might be the one who called the police because he wants to be in the witness protection program. So, right about now, from what the theory that my other little source tell me, them said DJ Ratty might be a suspect now in terms as an informant because him decide him want a way out. And the way out is to call the police and make the police arrest him and then him get into some kind of witness protection with the police. That's what my other source tell me. And it is possible. We're gonna know over a period of time. I did a video on this couple right here, Samson and Delilah. And this young man here, I specifically, you know, say I did the video to highlight what young people are doing in St. Lucia, you know. Pretty much it was a SOS. Me I cry to help to the youths them, you know, and you know, it's real crazy. But listen, I'm gonna play a couple different clips. But listen, I want you to listen to this clip from the video I did in the past with this young man. Just listen to this. Meet Travis and Zoe. And I'm doing this just to highlight the young people them in a St. Lucia and the kind of stuff they're doing. Not Bonnie and Clyde. More like Samson and Delilah. Let's go. So who is this youth here? Travis. My intel tell me say him roll with the lash up, meaning him roll with the 7. Now the young lady beside him, that it is girlfriend or so-called girlfriend, but it seems apparently them have some issue going on, because this girl here, Zoe, she worked with Travis and set up couple little man so them can eat a food, which is very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. And I notice the young ladies them in a St. Lucia, them do that. Now the reason why I am dropping this video is to highlight what's going on with the younger side of the population in St. Lucia. And it is not only St. Lucia. Specifically, you know, I said in the video that I was doing it to bring the highlight, kind of like cry out loud, these young people and these young boys, young men and women in St. Lucia. And for some reason, it goes through one year and through the next. People clown me, people say me said this, people say me said that. And all I'm trying to do is to bring attention to the gang warfare and the evolving and show that the gangs are morphing, but nobody is listening to Countryman. Now, I want you guys to listen to this news clip, and this happened about a day ago in Viewfort, and listen to this.
Gunfire shattered the quiet of the Latoni community in Viewfort on Thursday evening, leaving 2 men dead and raising the nation's homicide tally. The second victim, identified as Travis Charles of Blusha Miko, was found lying face down near the entrance of the house. Both men were known to the police.
Yeah, my wonderful friend. It's me again. Great. One more great Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Click on the other video. Now, I'm launching a new membership section on this channel. Now, in the new member section or the members section, you will be getting special videos from different islands and different places where I tackle the hard-hitting subject of gang violence. Videos will be uploaded every week, so there will be a total of 4 videos every month on different gangs from different countries. It's gonna be exciting, so stay tuned. Rock with me, rock with Countryman. I explore the dark and gritty subject of gang violence in the Caribbean. Let's go. Now, that's the same Travis, the one we call Samson. Him and Zoe, Delilah. And, you know, when I saw this, And my intel say, yo, Countryman, look on this. I felt really, really, really sad and feel really, really bad because what I have been doing, is to bring the gang violence and everything to the forefront. And I'm preaching and I'm telling the authorities, I'm telling the government, me I talk, me I show them clips, me I point out certain things. And, even when you see the way I do my videos, people say, yo, Countryman, a pum pum. But I do it to scare these guys and let them know, say, listen, pussy, anyway you there, me I come for you, you better stop doing what you're doing. This is no joke. People's life is at stake. So I take what I'm doing very serious. In the video that I did prior, you hear what I'm saying. I'm pretty much trying to scare these guys out of the gangster life and scare the girls then. But, I hope I'm getting through to some of you younger people out there who's in the gang life, but I feel like, and this might sound cornballish, but I feel like Travis slipped my hand. And, he just never listened. I feel like I couldn't save this young man's life. And I feel real bad about it. Now, me I gotta tell you now, what really happened to Travis. Now, you see that picture right there? That's a young man that, and this sound real fucking crazy, that was kidnapped. You hear what I'm saying? He was kidnapped and forced to take the assailants where Travis was. So in that double murder, it's really a triple murder. And that's the young man right there. For those of you who want to know the name of the young man, his name is KIMANNI, and he was killed in Castries, and my youth, Travis, and the other young youth was killed in Viewfort. And my intel let me know that Travis and the youth here is linked together. Travis and KIMANNI. And KIMANNI was the one that got kidnapped. And after he was kidnapped, disclosed where Travis was, and then killed Travis and the other youth, and also killed this young man. I hope the young people can watch this video and learn from what happened to Travis, because on June 8th, 2025, I did a video on him, and I did a video on him before. I did about 3 videos on Travis, and I was actually warning these young people the game they're playing is very dangerous. And another thing, them dead like dog when you see them dead. When you can't fight war without money. You understand? When you go school and get an education and strive to a better level. When you can't do broke badness. And, St. Lucia, I think St. Lucia is the poster boy for broke badness. Me nah lie. The man them foot dirty, a pair barefoot man are dead. You understand? And me not understand it. It's just crazy. But listen, there's a lot more info and a lot more things coming up, because I'm getting intel by the dozen to blow out. So it's keeping me busy. And I hope the police them can really come up with a plan to stop this surge and this paradox in crime. Listen, my name is Countryman,